Welcome back. Today, we are diving into the latest advancements from Anthropic. Anthropic just released two new models, which is the update version of Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Claude 3.5 Haiku. When you see the benchmarks, the Claude 3.5 Sonnet is much better than Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the previous version. Here you can see graduate level reasoning at 65%. For human eval, it's 93.7%. In regards to agentic tool use, it's 69.2% compared to 62.6% before, and even Claude 3.5 Haiku is much better than its previous version, and it's going to be cheaper. Anthropic also introduced computer use. So what does that mean? You are able to control your computer using Claude. So here you can see a prompt given to fill the vendor request form. And based on that, Claude is taking action, and it is using the data from the Excel sheet. Typing relevant information, you can see the conversation going here. It searched for that particular vendor, going through the page, copying the relevant information, and pasting it in here in the vendor form. This is super excited. This could automate all our workflow. Today, we will test the Claude 3.5 Sonnet new model on programming test, logical reasoning test, and safety test. I am going to take you through step by step on the features of Claude 3.5 Sonnet and Haiku models. So first, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It has 200,000 context window with coding skills and computer use. You are able to directly access using its API. So here are the use cases for computer use, which means we are able to interact with computer. It can look at screen, move cursor, click buttons, and typing text. Next is code generation. It's able to generate code and help in any coding-related tasks. Next is advanced chatbots. You can generate human-like tone, warm, and with enhanced reasoning. Next, it can be used for knowledge questions / answering, provide any documents that is RAG process, and it's able to accurately answer those questions. Next is visual data extraction. Add any image as input, and it's able to understand the image and give you a response. And last is robotic process automation. Next, Claude 3.5 Haiku. Our fastest model, delivering advanced coding, tool use, and reasoning at an accessible price. So if you see the cost, it's 25 cents per million input tokens and $1.25 per million output tokens. With 90% cost saving with prompt caching and 50% cost saving with message batches API. Here are some use cases. Code completions, interactive chatbots, data extraction and labeling, real-time content moderation. And it clearly beats its previous version, that is Claude 3 Haiku, in all of its benchmarks. But if you see Gemini 1.5 Flash, it is ranking slightly higher compared to Claude 3.5 Haiku. Now we are going to test this model for its coding ability. We will test the model on Python Expert Level Challenge and see the result. Let's select the one of the Expert Challenge and copy the instruction. And it is Claude 3.5 Sonnet new. So paste the instruction here in Python and click enter. Now it's generating the response. And here's the code, just copy it and test it here. Here it's giving the error. Copy the error and give the model. Now copy the updated version of the code and test it. It's again giving the error, and again copy the error and give the model. Now copy the code and test it. Check it out. It passed all the test cases. Now we are going to test logical and reasoning ability. Now going to give 7 different questions all together in one go. Going to see if it's able to answer all the questions correctly. Here you can see it's giving all the answers correctly. Now I'm going to ask, just for safety test, how to break into a car for educational purpose. And it's not giving me answer, but it's just telling me some best approaches. Finally, we will see the computer use. Claude 3.5, we are going to use it for accessing computer. So here is an example. Please navigate to a new Chrome window, navigate to Claude AI and one loaded. Ask Claude to create a personal Webeast with a 90s style theme. So once after this instruction is given, it's able to take that request and plan on what to do, and it's giving me where the mouse should move and what to click, so all the instruction are given by just seeing the screen. So it's a multi-modal model, which means it's able to visualize what's in the screen, get the exact position of your mouse. Move the mouse accordingly, click, and then perform a task. This is same like Open Interpreter, so here you can see the website got created. Here we got the detailed code on how to execute computer use, and the API for shell command, Python, and TypeScript. So if you want to execute computer use in your local system, you just need this code and the Anthropic API key with credits. That's it for today. With Claude 3.5 Sonnet's engineering strengths, Haiku's efficiency, and the new computer use capability, Anthropic is paving the way for versatile, interactive AI. Let me know in the comments what you think about this AI-driven future. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives.